Hi, hello, namaste. Good evening to all. Myself, Murali PG, going to take today's class regarding with YouTube under Unacademy, focusing towards Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. On behalf of this Unacademy, here I am going to take Unacademy YouTube class now, okay, with respect to our chapter, that is Human Health and Disease Part 1. Good evening to all, welcome to the class. On behalf of Unacademy, with respect to focusing towards Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants, we introduced some of the special kind of classes under plus class category. So you can get this plus class by referring towards Karnataka CET, how to enter into plus class. Download Unacademy Learners app from the Play Store, install it under State CET, under search goal State CET, select the Karnataka CET, and you can have the class under this plus class. Okay, so what are the different features, benefit of plus class? Premium content at affordable price, structured live classes, then quizzes at regular intervals, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, and single subscription for unlimited access will be there, and everything is under single plus subscription. And 20 plus top educators are engaging these classes, where 10 plus batches are there, 250 plus courses, 2000 plus lessons are going to be there, and already we submitted 2000 plus lessons, and many more added every day. And during the plus subscription, if you are going to use my user code, that is KCET Murali, and you can get 10% off. Then pricing plan for this Karnataka CET with 1500 per month, and if you use my KCET code, you will get 10% off. And these are the pricing plan for the other 3-month, 6-month variety of courses. And these are the plus subscription under which the batches. Of course, we are with the Rankers batch, Champion batch, Kannada batch, and Maestros batch. Myself, I am taking under these 3 batches. Okay, I am taking the classes under these 3 batches. And anyhow, if you are going to use my code, use code or referral code KCET Murali, you will get 10% off on the price well. And we are also introduced a test series for daily T20 free practice test series for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants, with the daily T20 20 questions in 20 minutes, live test class and get leaderboard ranking, evaluate your performance, attempt later multiple times, and practice regularly and gain confidence for exam. So available for free, and you can have this test, so you can get more number of questions, you can acquire more number of questions, you will have the confidence for the exam with respect to the Karnataka CET. This is how to attempt a test series. Okay, my dear friends, so now let us have the class today, that is Human Health and Disease Part 1. So I divided this class into 2, Part 1 and Part 2. So we are going to have the discussion of MCQ along with the concepts around that MCQ in these classes. So today is Part 1, and next is the Part 2 that will be on 21st of it, okay, of this month. Okay, my dear students, friends, let us have the discussion of questions. So totally 30 questions will be there in this class. Okay. Let us have the first question now. In AIDS, HIV, the system which is phased is what? Which system is going to be failed with respect to their function, or which system is going to have the reduction of their functional quality. That is what acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, isn't it? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So here deficiency syndrome, acquired immunodeficiency. Immune power will going to decrease. So decrease of the immune power will be there, and as a result of that, the total defense system, immune system will going to decline. So it is called acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It's a group of symptoms will going to be there under syndrome. Group of symptoms. Okay. Second question. Deficiency of iodine causes what? As we all know that it is the goiter. So deficiency of iodine will going to cause goiter. If you take our thyroid gland, deficiency of iodine will affect on production of thyroid hormone. And also here we can observe enlargement of thyroid gland. Enlargement of thyroid gland will be there. That is nothing but goiter. Next question number 3rd. Iodine deficiency causes dash disease. It is the goiter. So here thyroxine hormone, tetraiodothyronine. So thyroxine hormone, that is T4 and T3, tetraiodothyronine and triiodothyronine is going to be reduced. So as a result of that, we can observe the deficiency of total thyroxine hormone, and that will adversely affect on total physiological function related with that deficiency. And next question number 4. The branch which deals with the study of defense mechanism against disease is called what? The branch of biology deals with the study of defense mechanism against diseases. It is called what? It is called immunology. So immune system, immunology, human immune system is going to be studied. So immunity related with human body. Next question number 5. A disease transferred from mother to child through placenta is called what? So disease is which is a disease? It is an example for the disease which is transferred from mother to child through placenta. So placental thing is a maternal and fetal connection. Through that, some of the diseases will going to transfer from mother to fetus, which is that one? AIDS or HIV, because here a direct contact of blood between the mother to fetus, and also through the breast milk, also breastfeeding, this disease may transfer. Okay. Next, kwashiorkor, a disorder of children, is due to what? So kwashiorkor is a disorder. It's a group of symptoms, diseases are there. So it is because of what? What is the reason behind that one? It is a protein or essential amino acid deficiency. So deficiency of essential amino acid will result in the kwashiorkor. So scarcity or the malnutrition with respect to point of essential amino acid. Why essential amino acid? Essential amino acids are not going to be produced in the body, and it is supplied from outside through food material. So if the children are running short with the enough amount of amino acid, essential amino acid, definitely there will be kwashiorkor disease. Next question number 7. AIDS spread through blood transfusion, placenta transmission, sexual contact, all of the above. So through which mediate we can observe the transfer of HIV from healthy person to from patient HIV patient to healthy person. That is blood transfusion, sexual contact, placenta transmission. All the three are involved here. So the right option is D. Right option will be the D, because all the three different types of mechanism here what I given we are going to give with respect to HIV. AIDS is characterized by sharp reduction in number of which kind of lymphocyte, or of course lymphocyte, that B lymphocyte and T lymphocytes are there, out of which first of all which kind of cells are going to show sharp decline with respect to their number. So the right answer, it is helper T cell. Why helper T cell? Because helper T cell will guide the plasma cell, or we can say that B lymphocyte, we can write like that, B lymphocyte, to produce antibody. So helper T cell will provide information to the B lymphocyte to produce the antibody against particular that HIV pathogen. So if the helper T cell itself is going to be reduced or going to be controlled, then there is no need of any other action, isn't it? First step itself, helper T cell number is reduced, so there is no provision for giving the information to the B lymphocyte to produce particular antibody. So total decline in the defense system or immune system. So it is called acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. There is a deficiency of that particular immune power will be there. Next, question number 9. Typhoid is caused by a species of what? So which species will going to cause the typhoid? So here Streptococcus, Salmonella, Staphylococcus, Mycobacterium. So typhoid is due to Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi. It's a bacterium that is going to cause this typhoid fever. Yes, Mahima, welcome to the class. Namaste. Yes, for the 9th one, B is the right answer. You are right. I will move on to the next question. That is 10th one. Immune deficiency syndrome could develop due to what? Immunity power reduction. As a result of that, group of symptoms will appear. That is because of what? What is the reason? For the 10th one, it is here, it is the HIV virus or AIDS virus. Then tumor enclosed in a capsule is called what? Tumor enclosed in a capsular structure. It is the benign tumor. It is not malignant. There are two major types, isn't it? Malignant tumor and benign tumor. Benign tumor will going to be there enclosed in a capsule, inside the capsular structure. Then AIDS causing HIV principally infects what? That is all lymphocyte, activator B cells, cytotoxic T cells and T4 lymphocyte. It is a T4 lymphocyte. Then the next question number is 13. Yes. The most important type of Salmonella found in India is that will going to cause the disease. It is which disease? Salmonella typhi, typhoid disease. So major commonly found Salmonella type. It is the Salmonella found in India. It is Salmonella typhi, responsible for the causing of typhoid in our nation. So right answer, it is for 13th one, it is C. C is the right one. Okay. Next 14th one. Leprosy is dash type of disease. Leprosy is a contagious disease. Sorry. It is a contagious disease. So leprosy is a contagious disease. So it is not non-contagious. It is a contagious disease. What is that contagious? It is spreading from one person to another person. Am I right? Yeah. So it is a spreads from person to next person through direct contact. That is a contagious. So leprosy is a contagious type of disease. Next question number 15. Am I right? Yeah. Question number 15. Am I right? Yeah. Burkitt's lymphoma is caused by, it is EB virus. Burkitt's lymphoma, it is caused by so it's a form of non-Hodgkin's lymphoma in which cancer starts in immune cells of cells called B cells. So it is from the cancer starts in immune cells. So it is called EB virus. Next question number question number 15 I think 16. Which of the following diseases is non-contagious but infectious? It is non-contagious but infectious. That is AIDS. It is not through direct touching. Just touching is not sufficient for the spreading of disease. Automatically it is not going to be spread. That is HIV. Only through mere contact, isn't it? Refers to sexual intercourse, blood transfusion from placenta or through placenta, etc. So right answer is B for 16th one. And 17. AIDS virus spread in the body through which kind of cell? So which kind of cell is going to be helpful for the spreading of HIV in our body? That is a helper T cell. Through helper T cell we can observe the spreading of the HIV. Next question number is 18. The cells which act as parasites in the body. The cells which act as parasites in the body. Who will going to act as? Means out of the following cells, which cell is considered as parasite? It is the cancer cell. Okay. Then Schwann cell, it is the neuron cell. Vancomycin cell, specialized cells observed in hepatic cells, and the liver. Okay. Then hepatocyte is the liver cell. So right answer is D, cancer cell. Next question number 19. TAB vaccine is useful against what? Vaccine under which TAB, it is for typhoid. To overcome the typhoid, the TAB vaccine is going to be administered. Then cancer of blood is called what? Technical term for that one, it is leukemia, blood cancer. Leukemia, blood cancer. 21st, which person is suffering from disease according to given statement or sentence? So here I given three statement sentence. Mahesh walked slowly and become tired. There is appearance of scaly lesions on skin of Naresh. Paresh is suffering from obesity. All of them suffer from disease. So the first, second and third options are right, means they are options are showing the disease. So right option is D. All of them suffer from disease. 22nd, what is the location of Salmonella typhi during diseased condition? Where we can observe the population of Salmonella typhi in the human being after their attack at highest percentage. 22nd, the right answer is intestine. So in intestine, the percentage of Salmonella typhi is highest. Okay. So disease means here the percentage with respect to their population in the body of that person who is suffering from the typhoid fever. Then 23rd question, which test is carried out if disease is occurred by Salmonella typhi? So this is directly from our textbook, isn't it? So which test is going to be utilized? Vidal test, Lisman test, barium test, blood test. So right answer for 23rd question, it is A, Vidal test. So Vidal test is common. ELISA test is for HIV, remember, okay? Then generally Streptococcus pneumoniae occurs pneumonia, but which bacteria is responsible for this disease? So 24th, it is Haemophilus influenzae. Another important thing, Haemophilus influenzae. Next question number 25. Alright. Yes, if you have any doubt, Mahima, you can ask. So the next question, am I right? Yeah. Chlamydomonas. Sorry, not Chlamydomonas. Just a minute. Yes. Small technical error. Okay, now it's okay. Chagan Bhai is suffering from fever. Then, which kind of organism responsible it? Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium falciparum, and all of the given. So here, the right answer for 25th, it is Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium falciparum. The right answer is D, all of the given. And in that also, see, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium falciparum is more virulent. Okay, the occurrence of that malaria is highest in the Plasmodium falciparum. So these are the malarial parasite. And vector is what? Anopheles female mosquito. That is a vector. Will carry the pathogen from person to person. Okay, got it? In that female mosquito. Why female mosquito? Because why female mosquito is important? Culex female mosquito, Aedes aegyptis female mosquito, Anopheles female mosquito. Why not male mosquito? Because female mosquito requires blood for the life cycle, for the completion of its sexual life cycle, to lay the eggs, etc. It requires the blood. So they will going to bite the human being and other animals to get the blood. So blood is essential for the egg laying with respect to this particular parasite, vector. It is a malarial vector, female mosquito. Okay, in any female mosquito, remember female mosquitoes will going to have the feeding on blood, but male mosquito will going to take the nutrients from the cell sap of the plant. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Manoj, welcome to the class. Yes, for 25th, all of the above is the right answer. All of the given. Yeah. Next, 26th question. Duration of fever occurred by Plasmodium malariae is how much? So intermittent fever will be there. It is every 72 hours of duration. We can observe the occurrence of fever, but high fever will be there in the Plasmodium falciparum. Remember, Plasmodium falciparum is more virulent and life-threatening type of total kind of Plasmodium out of different types of Plasmodium. Okay, Plasmodium falciparum is more powerful. And 26, it is over. 27. From which kind of host life cycle of Plasmodium passes? From which kind of host life cycle Plasmodium passes? So which is the host? So here it is going to have two host body. One is male of human and of Anopheles mosquito, male of human and male of Anopheles mosquito, human and female Anopheles mosquito, human and male Anopheles mosquito. Who is responsible for this thing? 28. Question number 28. That is C. In the case of human being, it is not male or female. It is irrespective of gender. Both are going to be affected equally, isn't it? There is a malaria. But vector is always female Anopheles mosquito. So human and female Anopheles mosquito. So sexual life cycle will going to complete in the female body, and gamete production will be there in the male body. In the human body. So human body, in that liver and blood stream is going to have this trophozoite form in the case of that particular malaria. So it requires a dual host to complete the life cycle. One is human liver and blood, and Anopheles female mosquito gut portion, and later it will escape, it will store in the salivary apparatus, and it will escape from that salivary apparatus when this female mosquito is biting to the healthy person. So that parasite, that particular Plasmodium part will going to enter into healthy person. Hemozoin, remember that is another chemical. Hemozoin is there when the blood testing is done for malaria. Hemozoin is going to be there in the blood of that patient. Then what is responsible for malaria? What is responsible for malaria? It is only female Anopheles mosquito. And last two questions. The spherical form of metacryptozoids is called spherical form, form of metacryptozoids, mesoids is called what? 29, it is called trophozoite. This is the intermittent stage in the life cycle of Plasmodium. And last question, what is improper? Last question, what is improper for ringworm disease? Ringworm disease, that is Trichophyton rubrum, isn't it? Here I given wrong, I want improper statement or wrong statement with respect to ringworm disease. So 30th one, right answer is yeah. Let us see A. It is done by Trichophyton fungi, that is right. By constant itching, the lesion will get expand, that is also right. And it is done by using infected person's womb. Yeah, it is done by means it is going to be transferred from person to person to infected person's womb. And that is, the first three statements are right. Then fourth statement, it is infected by secretion of serotonin chemical. It is wrong. Okay. So right option is D. Improper statement with respect to ringworm fungus or ringworm disease. So these are the questions. So if you want more, please join to the Unacademy Plus course. Here you will get detailed theory, MCQ, doubt clearance and mega quiz. Okay. Then these are the pricing plan, and also we are with the different batches. Myself, I am taking 3 batches here: Nestos batch, another batch, and Rankers batch. Okay. So these are the T20 free practice test, and this is how to attempt the class and test. And thank you. See you again in the next class. Good night. And my next class will be on 21st of this month. The time is same, 9 p.m. and the topic is human health and disease part second part. Okay. So thank you. On and on.